Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hello. Your name's Tootsie. Hi, Tootsie. Hi, Tootsie. Oh my god, you're so cute. So let me show you what I've been working on for my display. I'm actually really excited about it. I'll put a link down below where I got the items, but I got like a fun little $20 display, I think, and these cute little baggies that I'm absolutely in love with. I will show you, here's one right now. So these are my cute little baggy bags, which I thought would be an absolutely fun idea to like display these. I don't know. Maybe it's just a personal taste. I'm hoping people will like them. Either way, I think they're cute. And when a person likes their own things, I think that helps it sell better. I think. I'm learning. I'm old and I'm still learning, but we all are, aren't we? So I have quite a bit of work to do today. I have to bag my charms. I'm gonna make, so I have some old displays. I'm gonna make some oopsie versions. I guess not oopsies, more like owies. So these used to be displays. They got like bangs on them and scratches, and I didn't want to really have them not have a home. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna put a little sticker right there that kind of designates their owies, and hopefully they can go to a nice home during SacAnime. We will see. But I will be working and just bring you along. I will record what I'm doing, and I just hope you enjoy. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, don't mind me jumping on in here. I just wanted to try a voiceover. I wanted to talk about my display. Like, I'm just really proud of it. This cute pink Mylar bags and a jewelry holder. Yeah. Oh, I put the oopsies down below. That's why I'm pointing at the white little stickers. But goodness, I'm just so proud of this display. I hope you guys like it. Absolutely spoiled rotten. I didn't realize this is the reason why I can't get a lot of the work done, right? Because, you know, you come first, always. If you ever wonder why I say, or if you ever wonder why I have a lot of pause in my work, usually what happens, I have to take like 30 minutes to do this for him. Because if I don't give scritches, Mama gets them stitches. And believe me, I am getting them bites. I wanted to show you what I go through. This is like my all-time favorite paper. I love it. It really does the job for like half the price of like Canon or something paper. Again, I guess I could link it below in case you're curious about using this paper, but it's a great glossy paper. I'm like a glossy lover. but I've used quite a bit. I have to restock a few prints. You guys seem to really like Entrapta, which I'm pretty happy about. This is my Entrapta print. Seems to do really well. Even to this day. I didn't expect She-Ra stuff to work or like fly off as well as it's doing now. Entrapta be best girl. Or girl. Best princess. Duh. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's get printing, guys. Did you make it go foggy? Print. What is that on my screen? Matcha. It's probably carrot juice stains. He likes to eat on my monitor. Print. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Vroom. Print. Please print. Print. Do your job. Oh. There it is. Okay, well that's printing. We are gonna go and figure out what's for dinner. I am craving a salad. We will see where that leads me to. Okay, so it's nap time. My stuff's printing behind me. I have some over here. Some of my printed stuff. There we go. I guess I'm gonna let him take a nap. This might take quite a while. I will either record a little more tonight or I'll see you tomorrow. 2-day vlog. I got a lot to do. Currently Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. Don't know. I'll see you later tonight. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Ta-da! Well, let's fix the light. There we go. Okay, so it is now Wednesday the 12th. I did say that it might, you know, push over into Wednesday. My bird child right here, who's just on my desk. He took a nap for, gosh, like over an hour. He took up my whole night. So I have to work on some stuff today. I have to finish cutting the prints I was supposed to cut yesterday. I need to figure out how many stickers I have to print and cut. Hopefully not too many. And I'll show you some of the finishing process of my May from Turning Red drawing. And you'll, you know, some of you have seen it on Instagram. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's where I'm most active, and I will post a little like bloop thing right here to follow me. It's just above Matcha or on Matcha somewhere. But yeah, I need to get to work. Setup day is Thursday for SacAnime Spring, which I hope to see you all there. Do take note, I might be a little more shy in person than I am here in my safe haven. Okay, so I am going to drink my caffeine because I gotta be careful because this little munchkin likes to murder hands for cans. Skipping the coffee today, having something a little more nicer on the body because I can't handle coffee right now. But yeah, gonna get caffeinated, gonna get started on my day. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. So I'm not used to recording with anyone in the room besides Matcha. But my husband's here. He's hiding on the couch. But we're gonna hide him for now. But I hope you enjoyed my video. It's my first time attempting I guess it's considered a studio vlog with, you know, my work and drawing. I hope you like the drawing in general. It took me forever to finish, between packing and chaos and drama. But it's done, it's done. I'm happy. You guys are happy apparently, which is what I'm happy about. So yeah, I will be recording during SacAnime Spring. So I hope to see you there, and I hope you enjoy that adventure when I record there. Anyways, that's all. Bye.
What's up, YouTube fam? Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe.
Yup. I'm gonna put that at the end of the video just for you. Bye.